Hi everyone. Hi once again. Okay, so आज का टॉपिक है वर्ब फॉर्म्स जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। वर्ब फॉर्म्स एक ऐसी चीज होती है कि जब तक आपको वर्ब फॉर्म्स की करेक्ट नॉलेज नहीं होती, आप टेंसेस का करेक्ट यूज नहीं कर पाएंगे। और अगर आप टेंसेस का करेक्ट यूज नहीं कर पाएंगे तो डेफिनेटली स्पीकिंग और राइटिंग में बहुत सारी आप एरर्स करेंगे। राइट, सो उन एरर्स को अवॉइड करने के लिए ये बहुत जरूरी है कि जो वर्ब फॉर्म्स है वो आपके टिप्स पे हो। अगर वर्ब फॉर्म्स आपके टिप्स पे हैं तो आप कभी भी स्पीकिंग और राइटिंग में एरर नहीं कर पाएंगे। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। आप अपनी नोटबुक और पेन लेके बैठ जाइए ताकि आप ये वर्ब फॉर्म्स नोट कर पाए। ठीक है, तो आज मैं आपको 100 कॉमन वर्ब फॉर्म्स के बारे में बताऊंगी। आपका जिनको पहले से कुछ नॉलेज है वर्क फॉर्म्स की, उनको उनका रिवीजन हो जाएगा, और जिनको नहीं है वो नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं। और फिर ये वीडियो देखने के बाद आप उसको मेमोराइज कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं बी फॉर्म से, जो कि बेस फॉर्म है। बी का जो पास्ट सिंपल है, पास्ट सिंपल को वी टू भी बोलते हैं, उसको उसका होगा वॉज या वर। और V3 जिसको हम पास्ट पार्टिसिपल बोलते हैं उसका होगा बीन। सो V1 इज बी एंड V2 ऑफ बी इज was और were, and V3 of B is been. Next verb form is become. So the past simple of become is became, and past participle of become is become. So it would be become, became, become. Let's move on to the next verb form, that is begin. So the past simple of begin will be began. Past participle of begin will be begun. Next one is break. So the past simple of break is broke, and the past participle is broken. Let's move on to the next verb form, that is bring. So brought and brought. Then build will be built and built. Next one is buy. Past simple will be bought. Past participle will be bought again. Catch. Again, the past simple and past participle will remain the same. So catch, caught, caught. Next one is choose. So the past simple of choose is chose, and the past participle will be chosen. So what happens is, sometimes what happens is, there are people who are unable to pronounce the past simple of choose. So this is chose. Okay, you should also know the correct pronunciation of the verb forms. आपको correct pronunciation भी पता होनी चाहिए verb forms में। ठीक है, तभी जब आप स्पीकिंग में वर्ब फॉर्म यूज करेंगे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप पास्ट सिंपल में पास्ट सिंपल का कोई सेंटेंस बना रहे हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई चोज दिस बैग और आई चोज दिस ड्रेस। Right, so if you are using the correct pronunciation, the other person can immediately come to know that you are framing sentence using simple past tense. Right, so chose is simple past of choose, and chosen. There are people, there are a lot of candidates who pronounce chosen as chosen. Right, so this is, sorry, there are a lot of candidates who pronounce chosen as chosen. Sorry, right? So chosen is not the correct pronunciation. The right pronunciation is chosen. So I'll repeat once again. The simple past of verb choose is chose, and the past participle is chosen, not chosen. Okay. Next one is come. Simple past is came, and the past participle is come. So come, came, come. Next is cut. Cut will remain same. Cut, cut, cut. Do. So the simple past is did, and past participle will be done. Similarly, draw, drew, drawn, drink, drank, drunk, drive, drove, driven, eat, ate, eaten, fall, fell, fallen, feel, felt, felt. Now, here there are candidates who get confused in fall and fell. Fall and feel. Fall मतलब गिरना. Feel मतलब कुछ महसूस करना. Right? So fall will be fall, fell, fallen. Feel, felt, felt. Right? So don't get confused in fall and feel, because the meaning of both the words are completely different. Next is find. Find, found, found. Next is fly, flew, and flown. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Next is get, got, or get, got. Got and gotten both are correct. Next one is give, gave, given. Go, went, gone. Grow, grew, grown. Okay. Next is have. So the simple past is had, and the past participle will be had again. Here, heard. So there are candidates who mispronounce this word by saying heard and heard, right? So this is not the correct pronunciation. The right pronunciation is heard. So here, heard, and heard. Next is hold, held, and held. Keep, kept, know, knew, known, learn. So if I talk about this verb form learn, so in this case, learn, learned, learned is also correct. Or you can also say learn, learned, and learned. Next is leave. So it would be left and left. Lend. Lend is lent and lent. Let will remain the same. Let. Lose will be lost and lost. So there are again candidates who mispronounce this by saying loss. So this is not loss, this is lose. Lose, lost, and lost. This is how we pronounce this. Next is make. So made and made, meet, met, pay, paid, put will remain the same throughout, just like cut, put, read. Now again, the spelling will remain the same throughout, but the pronunciation will vary. So here it will be read, read, and read. So for example, I read a book. If you're using the base form, using simple present, you will say I read a book. So if you're using simple past, you will say I read the book, right? If you're using past participle, you will say that I have already read the book. Next is ride, rode, ridden, ring, rang, rung, run, ran, run, say, said, see, saw, seen, sell, sold. Okay, send, sent, sit, sat, sleep, slept. Then speak, spoken, spend, spent. Next one is stand. So stand, stood, swim, swam, take, took, taken, teach, taught, tell, told, think, thought, throw, threw, thrown, understand, understood, wake, woken, wear, wore, worn. So there are candidates who mispronounces by saying wear. So it's not wear, it's where, wore, and worn. Next is when, one, one. Now, WON, pronunciation is one. Just like we pronounce ONE, one. In the same way, we will pronounce WON as one. Right? There are people who mispronounce it by saying won. So it's not won, it's a one. When, one, one. Next is write, wrote, written. Next is ask, asked, asked. Next is called, called, and called. Next is clean, cleaned, cleaned. Cook, cooked, cooked. Dance, danced, danced. Help, helped, helped. Jump, jumped, jumped. Laugh, laughed, laughed. Listen, listened, listened. Live, sorry, lived, lived, lived. Look, looked, looked. Love, love, loved. Open, opened, opened. Play, played, played. Rain, rained, rained. Okay, read, 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 we have already done. So again, it's a repetition. Reply, replied, replied. Shout, shouted, shouted. Smile, smiled, smiled. Start, started, started. Stop, stopped, stopped. Talk, talked, talked. Travel, traveled, traveled. Try, tried, tried. Use, used, used. Wait, waited, waited. Walk, walked, walked. Want, wanted, wanted. Work, worked, worked. Watch, watched, watched. Wash, washed, washed. Answer, answered, answered. Arrive, arrived, arrived. Believe, believed, believed. Carry, carried, carried. Change, changed, changed. Close, closed, closed. सो आई होप आपको ये वर्ब फॉर्म्स क्लियर हो गई होंगी. ये सारी कॉमनली यूज वर्ब्स हैं जो हम अपने डेली यूज में यूज करते हैं. राइट आपको 100 याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप इसमें से कुछ आप 4 या 5 वर्ब फॉर्म्स रोज याद कर सकते हैं और उनको अपनी स्पीकिंग और राइटिंग में यूज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा और आपको बहुत हेल्प मिली होगी वर्क फॉर्म्स रिवाइज करने में या अपने नोट्स बनाने में. अगर आपको ऐसी ही और वीडियोस देखनी है तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक और शेयर करना, लाइक शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि आपको ऐसी ही वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आपको आते रहें और आप मेरी कोई भी वीडियो मिस ना करें. आप और किन टॉपिक्स पे वीडियोस देखना चाहते हैं आगे आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर कमेंट करें ताकि उन टॉपिक्स पे मैं आपके लिए वीडियोस लेके आती रहूं. ओके, आई थिंक दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. बाय बाय.